For decades, far more boys and young men than girls or young women have studied physics at school or university or worked in physics-related fields. Although this happens across many scientific disciplines, the differences are most stark in physics. Only 27% of pupils taking physics Highers last year were girls. Physics is the fourth most popular subject at Higher among boys, but just 16th most popular among girls. The further on one looks, the wider the divergence. In academia, women comprise 25% of physics PhD students, 19% of academic staff, and 14% of professors. Women also take up 38% of all modern apprenticeships, but a mere 8% in engineering and energy. This imbalance has several negative effects. It reinforces misleading and outdated notions of who physicists are and what they're like. It deprives girls and young women of positive role models. It deprives our society of talent we will need to solve our biggest challenges, from tackling climate change to preparing for the fourth industrial revolution. And it deprives girls with interest and potential of successful, rewarding careers. Physicists typically earn 1/3 more than the national average salary, so reducing the gender disparity in science and engineering jobs would help to close the gender pay gap. There's nothing inherent about this. Girls perform at least as well as boys, if not better. But despite being engaged in the subject early on, they often drop out around age 14. We found similar discouraging effects for other underrepresented groups, including those from some ethnic minority groups, from LGBT+ communities, people with disabilities, and from poorer socio-economic backgrounds. Solving this won't be easy because the barriers aren't intentional or even well understood. We need to tackle misleading perceptions that physics is especially difficult or suits solitary geniuses rather than persistence and team working. We should explain better what studying physics means for future prospects and rewrite teaching materials and exam questions to suit different learning and communication styles. But mostly, we must improve pupils' confidence across the whole school and beyond. Scotland is further ahead in some aspects than other parts of the UK and Ireland, specifically within new teaching standards and school inspections which prioritise equalities and diversity issues, and a national STEM education strategy which commits universities and colleges to make progress on gender equality. But in other respects we lag behind. We need more data about who studies physics, especially in deprived areas. Participation in STEM clubs is only half the rate of other parts of the UK, and those from poorer backgrounds are even less likely to have joined one. But we also need whole school equity planning to enshrine bold commitments, coordinate positive actions, and involve everyone who can help. We'd be delighted to talk to you some more about the efforts to ensure that science, and physics specifically, is for everyone.